Another day fucking with coronavirus. Boy, I tell you, boy. Can't wait till this shit over with. Early in the morning, birds chirping, dogs barking and shit. And niggas worrying about the fucking virus, nigga. Change up your living habits, nigga. Be the last one to go to sleep and the first one to get up. See if you can do that. Be a real soldier. Hate these pussy ass niggas, man. Who got hate in their blood. I'll make you hate on me every time you see me, bitch. I want some videos you don't need to see. You don't even need to see my face. You just need to hear what I'm talking about and see what the fuck I got going on and look at the background, nigga. No worries. Ain't gotta look over my shoulder. And if it is, there's somebody to come protect me. You know, I want my gun to sound like that. Maybe a silencer will make it sound like that. Is that legal? I'm gonna go see. I'll grab a potato and put on the end of that bitch. Shit sound like missiles and shit, man. Y'all hear that shit? Boy, that's when your anxiety bad. I had to grab my pistol and clutch it real quick. Cause it sound like missiles. Y'all hear that shit? What them birds talking about? No, that shit crazy. He's saying the same thing.